I was on the mic, do my thing on a Friday night. Had the floor burning up just right. Everybody was bumping, the club was jumping. Suddenly you walked in, and that's when everybody stopped dancing. And I couldn't stop myself staring. Yeah, I couldn't breathe, no, I couldn't believe my eyes. I never thought I'd fall in love in a club, but now I see you, girl, I can't get enough. With you I know there's no taking it slow. So can somebody please let me know? Tell me who's that girl just walk in the club. Tell me who's that girl just walk in the club. Tell me who's that girl just walk in the club. Just walk in the club. Just walk. Before the night is through, I'ma tell you how I feel about you. And I know I got some work to do to make you believe that you should be leaving with me. I never thought I'd fall in love in a club. The more I get of you, I can't get enough. I won't be letting you leave here alone. So can somebody please let me know? Tell me who's that girl just walk in the club. Tell me who's that girl just walk in the club. Tell me who's that girl just walk in the club. Just walk in the club. Just walk. I wanna know who's that
You're a falling star, you're the getaway car, you're the line in the sand when I go too far. You're the swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say. And you play it coy, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything. You're a carousel, you're always well, and you light me up when you ring my bell. You're a mystery, you're from outer space, you're every minute of my everyday. And I can't believe that I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes our way, I will see it through, and you know that's what our love can do. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything.
Come stop your crying, it will be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From the
Chris, ingat sa next journey at God bless. Sa kay Vice, same, ingat din at God bless. Miss you all, Rabia Pips.
Hi, Ate Chris. Iyak mo siya. I'm speechless. Speechless over the edge of me. Di ko na alam lyrics. Ate Chris, ingat sa next journey mo. God bless. Thank you sa lahat, sa kakulitan mo, sa mga pimple mo na transfer mo sa akin. Charot. Ingat, I will miss you. Mamimiss ko yung pag ganun-ganun mo sa amin, oh, pag ganun ka na. Ha? Mag-ingat ka, huwag ka nang bang mamarlon. Maghanap ka ng kasing tulad ni John Jupit, ha? Pero wag si John Jupit, may jowa na yun. Mamimiss kita. Miyak na ako! Kalma na! I love you. Ate Vice, bye-bye. Ingat ka. I will miss you. Gaya ng sabi ko, parang ikaw si Ate Charmy. Lahat ng kilos mo, kagaya niya, kaya mamimiss talaga kita. Maaalala kita pag uwi ko ng Pilipinas kasi magkikita kami ni Ate Charm. Tapos maaalala kita, si Vice Ganda na nag-I love you sa akin na exclusive lang. Gayahin mo nga ulit yung I love you mo. I will miss you, Ate Vice. Ingat sa journey mo. Kita-kits tayo sa Australia mo, ha? Sige, bye-bye na. Inaantok na ako. Bye-bye!
Hi, Vice! Hi, Chris! Uuwi na kayo. Namimiss namin kayo dito sa UR. Pero yung mga lahat ng mga tinuro mo, Mang Chris, lahat ng mga kalokohan mo, Vice, hindi makakalimutan. Actually, nandito na lahat yung sa movie maker ang dapat kong sabihin ngayon. Pero, I still want to say something. I still want to express any message na good luck sa journey ni both of you. Ma'am Chris, follow your dream, but don't forget to follow your heart and follow your brain. Dapat mag-drive sila. And then, Vice, good luck sa kung saan ka man dadalhin ng mga paa mo. And both of you, don't forget to put God in the center of all your decisions. Good luck to your journey and always have faith in God. Strong in faith. Bye-bye!
Good luck, guys! Bye-bye! See you soon! Bye-bye!
Ate Chris! Ate Vice! Thank you! Mamimiss ka namin! Salamat sa lahat! Love you! Ben, Chris, mag-iingat ka sa kung saan ka man pupunta. Mamimiss kita at saka love you. Salamat. Ay, bye! Ikaw din, Ben, mag-ingat ka. Mamimiss ka rin namin dito. Miss kita. Kayong dalawa, salamat sa lahat. Salamat sa masasayang alaala. Sige, bye-bye. Ingat. Love you din.
Vice, Chris, salamat. God bless and good luck sa bagong journey niyo sa buhay. Love you.
Bye-bye.
Hello, Vice. Ako, Vice, hindi na talaga mapipigilan ang time, ano? Aalis ka na talaga, malulungkot na kami. Oo, si Vice. Alam mo, sino yung crush ni Vice, yung first crush ni Vice? Sabihin ko, Vice. Ay, wag na. Siguro alam na din ng iba. Alam kaya nila. Ang crush ni Vice nasa Nasa ayoko na lang sabihin. Tapos yung pangalawa niyang crush, nasa loob ng office. Alam nila yun. Alam siguro nila yun, Vice. Tapos ngayon si Vice talaga, ngayon, mabait na bata talaga, matulungin sa mga magulang. Kaya, no wonder na i-bless talaga yan siya. Kaya, Vice, good luck sa next journey mo. Alam ko na tutulungan ka ni God dahil mabait ka na tao at saka matulungin ka ng anak. So, God bless, Vice. Yun lang.
Hello, Ate Vice, Ate Chris. Namimiss ko pa, Ate Chris, yung pagkamaingay niya sa OR. Kahit konting time lang yung na-spend ko sa inyo. Parang nakilala ko kayo isa-isa. Si Ate Vice, sabi mo yung pangako mo na pagbalik mo dito sa Rocky magkikita tayo. Tapos, ililibre mo ako kasi malaki na sa ako mo that time. Tapos, pagka sa Australia ka na, hanapan mo rin ako ng papa kasi alam mo naman yung partner ko. Sige, hanapan mo ako, Yun lang, bye. Mamimiss ko kayong dalawa. Saka good luck sa next journey nyo. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hey, Vice! Have a safe trip. Ingat palagi. At saka, be happy always. And, thank you ulit sa lahat. Pag kailangan namin ng stuff sa dental, nandiyan ka palagi. Tapos, uwi ka na, wala na, hindi na kami pwede mag-action kasi wala na. Basta thank you sa lahat. Ingat palagi. God bless. Love you, Mama.
Hi, Chris. Hi, Ate Vice. Uwi na kayo. Tapos yun na din yung mga paghihirap niyo dito sa Rabia. Pero hindi naman puro paghihirap. Alam ko, may mga masasayang moments na rin. So, baunin niyo yung masasayang moments kasama kami. And we'll see you pag kami din yung umuwi. Sana magkita-kita pa ulit tayo. Sana kung ano yung plano niyong gawin after makaalis kayo dito sa Rabia. Sana ma-meet niyo yun. God bless you always. Ingat kayo lagi. Tsaka, Chris, mamimiss kita sa Dota tsaka sa kape banding natin. Ate Vice, maghanap ka na ng Australiano kasi di ka na bumabata, kailangan mo nang ihabol yung matres mo. I love you too, both of you. I love you and I will miss you. Yun lang, bye-bye.
Good luck and God bless. Good night and Ate Vice. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Haha, pala-palaan lang. Chris and Vice, كيف الحال؟ الحمد لله كويس. ممكن نتساوى كويس 100% إن شاء الله. Siguro basta mabangkit ang pangalang Chris at Vice, mapapatawa at mapapasmay na lang kami. Vice, Chris, siguro no quantity nor quality of words to express how happy and sad I am to say goodbye to the both of you. Happy dahil finally makakasama nyo na ulit family nyo at makakapag-level up na kayo ng work. Pero sa kabilang banda, syempre sad kasi maiwanan na naman kami ng matatalik, mababait at baliw na mga kaibigan at kapatid. In short, mixed emotions ako. Salamat sa mga masasaya at magagandang ala-ala at karanasan na pinagsaluhan natin. At kahit hinanakit natin sa buhay-buhay ay pinagsaluhan din natin. Naging napakalaking tulong at bahagi kayo ng OR. Siguro itatatak namin kayo sa aming mga puso't isipan. Ang pangalang Chris at Vice. Chris, stay jolly, happy, and humble. Iwasan mo lang yung pagiging masungit mo, ha? At yung ugali mong bata-bata. Act like a lady. Dalaga ka na, be. Vice, stay sweet and positive. I-push mo lang ang pagiging optimistic mo. Iwasan mo yung pagluluto ng kwek-kwek para iwas stroke. Yung suka mo, Vice, mamimiss namin. To the both of you, payo ko lang, always put God at the center of every plans and actions that you will make. Hindi niya kayo pababayaan. You will always be a part of our prayers. We love you and we will surely miss you. Good luck and God bless. Maasalam, Chris and Vice, hanggang sa muling pagkikita. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. Mwah!
Don't listen to them. 'Cause what do they know? We need each other to have to hold. They'll see in time. I know when destiny calls you, you must be strong. I may not be with you, but you got to hold on. They'll see in time. I know we'll show them together, 'cause you'll be in my heart. Believe me, you'll be in my heart. I'll be there from this day on, now and forevermore. Ooh, you'll be in my heart. You'll be here in my heart. Always say, I'll be with you, be here in my heart. I'll be there always. Always. I'll be with you.
I came to move. Get out the way of me and my crew. I'm in the club, so I'm gonna do just what the folk came here to do. Yeah, 'cause it goes on and on and on. And it goes on and on and on. Yeah, I throw my hands up in the air sometimes, saying, ayo, gotta let go. I wanna celebrate and live my life, saying, ayo, baby, let's go. 'Cause we gon' rock this club, we gon' go all night, we gon' light it up like it's dynamite. 'Cause I told you once, now I told you twice, we gon' light it up like it's dynamite. I'm gonna take it all, I'm gonna be the last one standing, higher overall. I'm gonna be the last one landing, 'cause I believe it, and I just want it all. I just want it all. I'm gonna put my hands in the air, hands in the air. Put your hands in the air.
Okay, andito ba tayo? Hi, Vice! Hi, Chris! Hello, good morning, Rian! Hi, Vice! Hi, Chris! Good luck! Tsaka God bless sa bagong journey nyo sa buhay. Sana magkita-kita pa tayo pag-uwi namin ng Pinas. And mag-ingat kayo and stay healthy. We love you. Mwah. Hi Chris, hi Hi, Vice. Mamimiss namin kayong dalawa, kayo dito sa OR. Mag-ingat kayo. Sana makahanap kayo agad ng work pag uwi nyo. Tsaka enjoy nyo muna yung stay nyo sa Pilipinas. Mahal namin kayo at mamimiss namin talaga kayo. Bye-bye.
Ate Chris, Ate Vice, salamat sa lahat, sa lahat. Miss namin kayo. Good luck and God bless. Love you. Bye-bye.
Picture sana.
Record. Bye-bye. Ayoko. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye. Taas na pati mo.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Chris! Si Vice, bye-bye! Chris, OC tayo, bye-bye. Paiyak sa ate siya.
It's hard to feel